Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install LibreOffice on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating systems. LibreOffice is a free and powerful office suite, and it's generally seen as a free alternative to the Microsoft Office suite. So, let's see how we can install it. First of all, open your favorite browser and search for LibreOffice. The first link that appears will be from LibreOffice.org, so we are going to click on this link. Once you click on the link, you will see this website. You can see the Download tab at the top, where you can download LibreOffice for Windows by clicking on the first option, which says Download LibreOffice. This will take you to the download page. Here, you can see that the latest version at the time of making this video is LibreOffice 25.2.0. From here, choose the Windows 64-bit version and then click on Download. Once you click the Download button, it will start downloading the LibreOffice.msi file. Just wait for the download to complete. Once done, click Show in Folder. Now, run the setup file, and it will start the installation process. On the first page, just click on the Next button. Here, you can choose between two options: Typical and Custom. I generally go with the Typical option and then click Next. Leave the checkbox checked, as it will create a shortcut on your desktop. Then, click on Install, which will start the installation of LibreOffice. Once the installation is finished, you will see a message saying Installation Wizard completed, so just click on Finish. Now you can see the LibreOffice icon has been created on your desktop. From here, you can either click on the LibreOffice icon or click on the Windows Start icon and search for LibreOffice. The LibreOffice suite comes with different tools. LibreOffice Writer is generally compared to MS Word. You also have LibreOffice Calc, which is similar to MS Excel, along with several other options. To open LibreOffice, you can click on the shortcut icon on your desktop, which will start LibreOffice. Once LibreOffice is launched, you can open any tool within it. As I mentioned earlier, Writer Document is a direct alternative to MS Word. Calc Spreadsheet is an alternative to Excel. And Impress Presentation is an alternative to MS PowerPoint. You also have Draw, Math for formulas, and Base for databases. All these tools are available within LibreOffice. Let's open Writer Document. Using this tool, you can create documents just like in MS Word, save them, and share your Word document files. You might also notice that the interface looks quite similar to Microsoft Office Word. Additionally, you can save your files in Microsoft Word format. As you can see, all the necessary options are available here. So, this is how you can download and install LibreOffice on your Windows operating system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.